Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel Self Care with Val. I'm your host, Valerie, and today I'm doing a quick facial to try to help out the skin condition I have called melasma. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe and turn on that little notification if you want to come back and see me. So today I am going to do a quick facial. I'm trying to incorporate this new skincare into my self-care routine since I've found out that I have a skin condition called melasma. So here's some of the products I'm going to be using: apple cider vinegar, black soap, cotton swabs, moisturizer, and my little facial scrub. Look at my little plant babies. Aren't they so cute? Yeah, I'm trying my hand at my green thumb. But yeah, and so this is what I'm going to be using for this facial wash. Um, the black soap is made by KinslinSoapCo.com if you want to check them out. Okay, y'all. So the first thing I did was wash my face with the black soap. Y'all, that black soap smells so good. And I'll put the link down in the comments to for you guys to check out the black soap. It's made by Sherika Copeland, and the name of the company is Kinslin Soap Company. KinslinSoapCo.com, and you can find her on Instagram at KinslinSoapCo. But I received that black soap in a PR package from the Promised Land Books for an art review I did for them, and it smells so good, y'all. It's extremely good. So, and then my little face scrubber I got for Christmas from my sister. And it's not a real expensive one, but it does the trick. And then I was watching the movie They Them with Kevin Bacon and Anna Shalumsky. She's the girl that plays on My Girl. But anyway, it's about a group of teenagers at this LGBTQ plus conversion camp. And so they go through all these like unsettling psychological techniques for whatever cure they're seeking. And at the same time, one of the previous teenagers at the camp who has grown up has come back and started a revenge killing. So, of course, Kevin Bacon plays as the villain. Poor thing. Can he get a break? But he played good in it. I enjoyed the movie. It's an older movie. I found it on Peacock. That's why I found it on. But I washed my face, and you know what? I'm gonna just be honest with you. I'm not very. I wouldn't say very good, but taking care of my face is something that I have not been aggressive about. And now that I'm getting older, I have to be. So this is what I'm going to do. I have a condition called melasma, and it's usually known for giving you like brown patchy spots on your face. You can see like on my cheek that there was a brown patchy spots. You can see at my forehead. It's kind of discolored, and this usually happens when there's an overproduction of cells that make up the color of your skin. And so sometimes it can happen due to hormonal changes. A lot of women who are pregnant go through this condition. It's mostly in women. Sometimes it can be a genetic disposition, or it could be in a B12 deficiency. And I don't eat a lot of meat, which has changed because I think that's going to be the key to me, helping my A1C and my sugar levels, because it is something that I don't eat a lot for whatever reason. And so, like I said, I don't want to take medication for it. And so I am trying to go through a holistic route to try to ease the condition a little bit. And just, overall doing a better job of taking care of my skin because, your girl gonna be 49 this year. 49. And I don't think I look 49. Now I'm getting ready to apply some apple cider vinegar on my face. And this is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And I'm using some gloves from when I dyed my hair. Because if you have any experience with apple cider vinegar, it stank, y'all. It stank. And of course, I didn't want that on I didn't want it on my fingers. It's a really strong smell. So I used Bragg's apple cider vinegar. A lot of people have been complaining that Bragg, since it's been owned by Katy Perry, since Katy Perry took ownership of it, her and some other investor, that it has the potency is been diluted or something. But looks like I got a good bottle, because baby, there's nothing diluted about that. And when I tell you, I got a little too close to my eyes, because I could start from the fumes. I could start feeling it in my eyes, like, oh Lord. It didn't burn my skin, only the areas that kind of like maybe I had, scrubbed a little too hard on, or maybe a pimple that was open. But I just soaked that pad up with that apple cider vinegar and put it on my face. And you're supposed to let it sit for a couple of minutes and then wash it off with warm water. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm applying that apple cider vinegar to my face. So I washed my face with some warm water afterwards, pat dried my face, and then I'm going to put some moisturizer on it. I mixed some cocoa butter face moisturizer with a little bit of tea tree together. Smells really, really good. And I just gently applied it to my face. Not a whole lot, because some parts of my face gets really, really oily, where like my eyebrows, that area, ridge of my nose, is always quite dry. But I just tried to put, and it's light, it's not very heavy. So I hope this helps you guys. I will come back with some updates, and until then, bye.